morning guys, I'm just about to go to Coles to get some Easter eggs that are on sale because that's what I do. I go to like the shops the day after Easter and get all of my Easter eggs and they're on sale.
Do you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember all we did was...
So this is me currently at the shops. Got like 3 massive packets of eggs and 2 eggs and... Yep, okay.
Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on.
So now we are on our way to the beach for my neighbour's birthday, which is hopefully going to be really fun. And I've got my sunnies in there, blue reflective, which is pretty cool.
Pull that tent down this afternoon.
Where did it go? Where did the tent go?
We need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on.
But I am at the beach right now, and everyone that I'm with, like my family and my neighbour who I came with, they're all in the water, so I'm just chilling underneath this umbrella so I can actually vlog because I can't see like what people are like, if they're looking at me and thinking wow she's weird. But yeah, everyone's in the water, I already said that. But yeah, I haven't eaten at all this morning except for some chips, so I'm kind of really hungry, so I might go to the canteen and get some food soon, so yeah.
Do you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember all we did was care for each other. But the night was warm, we were bold and young. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on.
So we just got back from the beach and my mum and sister are taking down the tent from last night because my sister and my neighbour slept in the tent because they wanted to. So we just got home and I am trying to decide whether to upload my main channel video right now or tomorrow when it's supposed to go up. But I guess I'll just decide later. I don't know, it'll probably end up going up tomorrow, which will be Tuesday for me. But yeah, I just thought that I would update you. Hey guys, so it has just started storming so bad, so we are really lucky that we kind of came back from the beach when we did, otherwise we would have been there in the pouring rain and the storm that's happening right now. But I thought that I would just end this vlog right here because I'm going upstairs, which is my neighbour's house, for pizza for dinner, and then I'm probably just going to come back, have a shower and go to bed. So I thought that I would end this vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out Maddie's previous vlogs. I will try and have her latest one linked down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.